He says, I'm gonna take you down. Dude, I'm stronger than you.
Hey, they're standing.
They can stand on their back legs. Is he afraid of that big one?
Uh-huh.
Are they gonna swing?
Uh-huh. If they do, then they'll hit the wall.
They'll hit the wall? He's putting his head in there. That was funny.
He's biting him. He got away. He's tired.
You think so?
He needs to go in his house.
Those bears are cool.
They're funny too.
So we went on a bear hunt.
Look!
Huh.
Look! A bear!
There's another Benny bear over there. Good job, Jose. He's a black bear. That's a black bear.